In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round image corners in Canva. If you're aiming to give your images a softer, more polished look, rounding the corners is a great option. Let's dive into the process, take it step by step, and get those corners looking just right. First, you'll want to open up Canva, your go-to design tool. Head over to the Canva website by entering the URL into your browser. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but if you're returning, just click on the Login button on the top right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on Login, you'll see an option to continue. This is usually straightforward, as it takes your previously saved credentials and autofills them to help you log in conveniently. Click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Now you'll be directed to a sign-in page where you need to select your account. If you're using a Google account, look for the account you want to use and click on it. Once you've selected your account, you might need to click Continue again to finish the login process, depending on your security settings. Once you're logged into Canva, open your project or select the image you'd like to work with. This is a crucial step because you want to ensure you've got the right design open before making any changes. After you've opened your project, simply select the image you want to edit. Now look for the corner rounding icon on your toolbar. It's usually represented by a rounded rectangle or something similar. Click on this icon to access the rounding feature. This brings up a toggle allowing you to adjust the roundness of your image corners. Drag the toggle to increase the roundness and watch the image corners change in real time. Adjust the roundness based on your desired outcome. You can increase the roundness drastically for a more circular shape or just tweak it slightly for softer corners. Remember, there's no right or wrong here, it's about finding what suits your design best. And just like that, you're done. Congratulations, you've successfully rounded the corners of your image in Canva. Not only is this a quick and easy method to enhance your images, but it also adds a professional touch to your designs. This feature is versatile and can be applied to any project within Canva, whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, or flyers. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to leave a comment or share your newly rounded images with us. Until next time, keep creating and experimenting with Canva's diverse range of tools.